Viessmann requires that only licensed contractors perform installation and service on their boilers. Viessmann also recommends attending their Academy training, which covers all aspects of installation, service, and troubleshooting. We're in the training room here at Viessmann US headquarters in Warwick, Rhode Island, where I'm going to go over everything that you need to get prepared to put in your Viessmann 100 wall-mounted boiler. So if you can't find a place on the wall that you want to hang this, you can always get one of these stands so you can put it anywhere in the room. And in this table you can see all the dimensions for the boiler so you can get a better idea of what its actual size is. And these boilers don't require any clearances to combustibles, but this is our recommended clearances for allowing to do proper maintenance on the boiler. Some other important information that you should know is that all the pipe fittings can be found underneath the boiler, and that these are low mass boilers, so we recommend using some sort of hydraulic separation before connecting the supply and return lines to the system. So we recommend using a low loss header, but you can also install closely spaced T's into your plumbing. Now, because these are condensing boilers, there's going to be a condensate runoff tube coming out the bottom. We recommend running that runoff tube into a neutralizing box before bringing it anywhere else. The last thing you're going to want to know is how to power the boiler. So coming out of the bottom, there's this 3-pronged plug that you can put into any outlet. Just try to make sure that it's on its own independent circuit. So I hope this video helped you know some important information and things that you should get along with your boiler so you can install it properly. If you watch the next one, we'll go over how to vent them. For any additional questions regarding installation, you can go to our website, scroll down to Contractors, and if you click on the Sales Network tab, you'll get a list of trained Viessmann sales representatives who provide local support to our customers. Thanks for choosing Viessmann, and have a nice day.